Zontar here. How's it going? We're getting a few unsolicited phone calls from various home security systems people, so we're getting a little bit tired of it, and they always seem to hang up on us when we start asking questions. But anyway, a bunch of the kids are out of school for the summer now, and they're looking for summer jobs. They want summer jobs, so I think we got one figured out here. We have our own elite defense guard here called Deltic Force. So we're going to start a new division, Deltic Force Home Security Systems. Now, we got lots of recruits. Like I say, at least 100,000 of my kids want to sign up for this so they can have a summer job, which is good for everybody. Keeps them busy and out of trouble, all that stuff. Anyway, the way it's going to work, Deltic Force is going to train them for home security work, and then we're going to put 20 of my kids at each location for everybody that signs up in our security system. So if you want to pay us a small monthly fee to monitor your establishment or house, etc., we'll have at least 40 eyes watching everything going on 24/7. Now, how can you beat that? Now, you might say, well, you little guys are only 3 or 4 inches tall. What are you going to do if somebody breaks in? Well, just remember, we might be small, but we carry a big punch. Deltic Force is going to give all of our kids and train them on how to use our freeze rays. So, if they happen to be at a house when a couple of intruders break in, they'll freeze the intruders, call 911, and leave the front door open, and when the police arrive, just before then, they will hit them with an unfreeze ray, so that the police find the culprits all duct taped up, just waiting for them, almost gift wrapped, in fact. So that way they don't get away. So we think this is a reasonable proposition here. I think it can work out good. So if you're interested in signing up for Deltic Home Security, just contact Zontar here, and we'll see if we can hook you up. Deltic Force won't let you down. Zontar here, we'll catch you later.